Alright, Ivana. So a couple days ago, we had laksa for the first time.
Mm-hmm. It was
pretty nice.
Good.
So today we're gonna cook it. Ivana has this magical ability of eating food and being able to create a recipe from her taste buds. So we're making laksa. Now, are we making laksa or curry mee? Or is it the same?
I think it's the same thing. Curry mee and curry laksa. I think they're the same.
Interesting.
I don't know.
Debatable. Okay, here's the ingredients.
Okay, so we got the yellow noodles. I got it pre-packaged.
Me.
Mm-hmm. And then we got ginger, lemongrass, chili, onion, garlic, lime leaves, and galangal. And also we got
Oh,
chicken.
that's a mouthful. Galangal.
Yeah. Have
Okay.
you had it before?
I think we had it last time you cooked.
Yeah. Do you want to try it fresh?
Okay.
See.
Oh, it's really strong flavor. It's like not garlic. It's like ginger. Oh.
It's like ginger. Is it spicy?
Yes, it's
Spicy,
like
right?
citrus ginger.
Citrusy and...
Lemon ginger. Oh, why'd I even eat this for? It hurt my mouth.
But it's gonna be good.
I think
Good
you-
when it's sweet cooked.
I think when you cook it, it's different. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on.
Back to the chicken.
Of course.
This is santan or
Coconut milk, of course.
Turmeric, curry powder, and we're gonna add a little bit of fish sauce. And then, this is not bread. Guess what it is?
Dun, 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 dun. This is tofu. Looks like gigantic croutons.
Yeah, that's true.
It looks like bread, no?
No.
It looks like bread to
it's
me.
Tofu.
And then
This is for the garnishes. So we got, of course, bean sprouts, purple onions, calamansi or little limes, cherry tomatoes, mint leaves, and boiled eggs. So I've actually boiled the bean sprouts as well.
There you have it.
So.
Okay, it looks like less ingredients than our previous meals. Is this an
Really?
easy preparation? I feel like making
Yeah, I
soup
think
is
it's pretty
easy. You
easy.
just put it in the pot.
Yeah, just put it in pot. I think so. I think I got all the ingredients pretty correct
I think so.
for a laksa meal.
I'm
So,
sure you nailed it, Ivana. Okay,
get cooking.
let's cook.
Alright, so first we're gonna saute all these ingredients until they turn gold. Once the garlic turns gold, let's add the chicken. Once the chicken is halfway cooked, we're gonna add some coconut milk. And what I love about Malaysia here is that you can get fresh coconut milk out of the supermarket. In Canada, it's gotta be the box one that you can get, or the canned coconut milk, so it's not fresh. But here you can get a fresh one. Amazing.
Looks good, Ivana. Looks like Alfredo sauce.
Yeah. If you like the liquid broth really thick, you can leave it as is, or you can also add a little bit of water to make it a little bit thinner or not as thick. Good job, Steve.
Helping.
We're gonna put just a little bit of a fish sauce.
What is fish sauce?
I don't know. It smells horrible, but when you eat it, it's actually really good. It's
smells horrible,
It's very popular in Vietnamese dishes, and you almost put it in every pho dish you have. So
What is it? Is it made out of just fish blended up into a liquid?
I have no idea.
Maybe it's better not to know. If you know what it is, you might not like it anymore. It might just be fish guts grinded up. Don't talk about it. Tastes good, it's all that
It
matters.
says the ingredients is anchovies, salt, and sugar.
There you have it. That's why the smell is so strong.
Oof. All right, and we're gonna add a little bit of turmeric and also curry powder. This is actually the main ingredients, the curry powder.
Okay, now we're getting some color happening here.
Lots of that.
I love the way you do that with no tablespoon, measuring cup.
I just look at the color. If it's red enough, then okay, it's done.
Interesting.
This is more yellow than red, isn't it?
It looks really good actually.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit of a chili ball sauce, chili paste. So.
Man, great job I am mixing it, aren't I?
Yeah, man.
Really nailing it.
It
Wow.
helps a lot, baby. So I don't have to multitask.
Wow, you're so nice, Ivana. The smell right now is 5 stars.
Whoa.
Look at this stuff, man. Looks good, no? Ooh, looks good.
Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit of tomato puree.
Whoa, we're going off recipe. Ivana's freestyling. Tomato puree. Now, is this for flavor or color?
Both.
Both.
Let's see.
Uh-oh, you might have just ruined it, Ivana.
Oh, no.
No, I don't think so. I think you just improved it.
I think it's improvement. I don't think tomato goes bad with curry.
I think you're right.
Better now.
Good job.
Okay. So I think it's time to cook the noodles. So I just have this pre-packaged noodles. I'm pretty sure they're cooked already because.
Eat one, eat one.
But we're just gonna heat it up.
Ooh.
Look at this. So I think everything is ready.
Already. What about all these ingredients?
Yeah, we're gonna add it. Okay.
Oh, in the bowl.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, interesting, interesting. That was so quick, Ivana.
Oh yeah.
That was 10 minutes.
Told you it's a quick dish to cook.
Okay, so we'll eat this and we'll compare it to Ah Cheng laksa.
Ooh, that's a big pressure.
I think you can handle it. I think you can handle it, Ivana. Look at it. Looks good, no? It looks good, Ivana. It looks nice. So would the first step of eating it be to mix everything together?
Here you go.
Dun, 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 dun. So let's do a side-by-side shot of this laksa and the one from Ah Cheng laksa. You can see the difference. I think yours looks better, Ivana.
Really?
Wow, I'm hungry. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, looks good.
This looks like the noodles looks like kind of like spaghetti.
I was gonna say the same thing. Looks like spaghetti.
So thick. And let the tofu absorb the liquid.
Oh yeah, you gotta sink the tofu.
Ooh.
Looks good, Ivana. Unfortunately, we only have one pair of chopsticks, so Ivana's going with a fork. All right, let's eat.
Let's eat.
Honestly, mine's not very soupy. The liquid's all gone.
Yeah. I
What
think the
happened?
noodles absorb it.
Oh, the noodles. Maybe we should go more water next time.
We should add more water.
Mm.
Maybe the coconut was too thick.
I think the coconut is too thick. It's still good though. The flavor is nice, but it's just kind of like, it's almost like dry noodles. This is like the dry version.
Spaghetti.
Like char kway teow. This is the dry version, not the wet version. This stuff here, I'm still not sure about.
Tofu.
I'm not sure if I like tofu. Is it weird? I think it's weird. I don't know what it is.
The first time Steve saw it, he thought it was bread.
It tastes a bit like styrofoam. Or like it's not food, like it's man-made. I don't know what it is. Soy? I don't know. Anyway, this is good. This is good, Ivana. I think the one at Ah Cheng was better. Is that okay? Did I hurt your feelings?
No.
I'm just being honest.
I think so too.
This is still
What's
good food.
missing? I told you there's something missing.
There's something missing. It's not right. It's a little bit too dry. It's not that liquidy.
It's too thick, the sauce.
It's too thick. And their sauce, their liquid, was full of oil. You see all the oil droplets in it. Remember the oil? This one is just not as delicious. Maybe this one's like a little bit more healthier. It's less oily. But the other one was just more delicious.
True.
Still good, Ivana. I think too much coconut milk.
Yeah, I think so. I think we should add more water.
More water and more oil.
What
Too
else?
oily. The other one was so flavorful. It was like filling and heavy and like, whoa.
The other one was red.
It was red. It's a good point too.
What's the red?
Damn. Still good, Ivana, but it's not quite ideal. Coconut milk is weird to me. We have put too much. Why do they call it milk, first of all? It's not milk.
Yeah.
It's coconut juice. If you take an orange and you get the juice out of it, it's not orange milk, it's orange juice.
Maybe because it's white and
I think it's just
thick.
white, they call it milk. Anyway, not bad, Ivana. There's some room for improvement. Oh, the leaves are good. The mint leaves. Is it mint? Really nice. That's a fresh flavor. I think the one at Ah Cheng laksa had more mint as well. It was more fresh. It was just more. Well, it's certainly not bad, Ivana, but we could do better. Maybe we'll do an update video in 2 weeks.
Maybe we'll do the asam laksa one next.
Maybe we'll do asam laksa. If you look at this one, it's just not a lot of liquid in it. It's just kind of dry. You know? And the other liquid was so oily and red. Still good. Okay, so what's your rating, Ivana? How many stars would you give this? If Ah Cheng is 10, if Ah Cheng is the goal, what's this one?
5.
Whoa! I still give it a 7. It's still
Wow.
good. Interesting. Let us know what you think went wrong, guys. You can see it. You can't taste it, but you can see it. I think it needs more oil. Just more flavorful.
Well, and this is too thick, huh? The sauce.
Too much coconut milk. Still good. And I'm still gonna finish it. It's still yummy. But the Ah Cheng one was just more satisfying. But it was also fast food, so maybe it's like you just pump it full of oil, you know?
All right. So update. I added more water, so it's more liquidy now. It's not so thick. And also, I added a cube of the fish cube, ikan bilis cube, and more fish sauce.
Okay, try it. See if it tastes more similar now.
I think so. That's the secret.
It looks more. I mean, the color is still a bit off, but it looks more similar.
Soupy.
Yeah.
More soupy
Okay,
rather
try
than
it.
thick.
Oh, it's way more fishy. Interesting.
I think the taste is more. It's closer now than before.
Yeah, it tastes much more similar.
Yeah. So that's the secret. Add more water.
More
add
water.
More fish sauce and add more fish cube.
1 fish cube.
Yeah.
It still looks a little different. It's not quite the right color.
But it tastes more.
It tastes
Similar
more like it.
to the one that we
Yes. The one we had was nice, but it was like thick. I wonder if one of the laksas is like that. Because there's so many laksas. There's Johor laksa, Sarawak
true.
laksa. Maybe one of them is like that. But this is more like it now.
Yeah.
There you have it.
Okay.
Okay, that was a quick after meal vlog update.
Good experiment.
Okay, back to the meal. Interesting. Okay, there you have it, guys.
Not bad for my first try.
This is the first meal you made that wasn't a home run. Everything else was so good, it was like 5 stars. This one was like, somehow Ah Cheng captured some kind of flavor that we just didn't capture.
That's right.
You know?
That's true.
It's just not on the level.
All right.
Alright, there you have it, guys. So, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Down below us, you'll see our most recent upload. You'll see what food we're cooking, what restaurant we're trying to mimic. And on the left, some of our other videos, travel vlogs, and stuff like that. Fingers crossed for things going back to normal on June 9th. Maybe CMCO's over.
Right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.